In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on Shopify. By the end, you'll have the Google Analytics 4 app added to your store so you can begin capturing the insights you need to make smarter decisions about traffic and sales. GA4 gives you a clearer view of customer behavior across devices, and installing it through the Shopify App Store keeps things simple and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. Sign in to the Shopify admin for the store you want to track. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to install apps, since only users with the proper access can add integrations. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look at the left-hand navigation and click Apps. This is your central place for managing the tools that extend your store's capabilities. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full apps label. On the apps page, you'll find a button that takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click that to open the official marketplace where you can browse and install trusted apps. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar at the top and type GA4. This narrows results to options related to Google Analytics 4. You should see an app called GA4, Google Analytics 4. It's designed to help connect your store with Google's latest analytics platform, minimizing manual code changes. Click the GA4 Google Analytics 4 app to open its details page. Take a moment to review the description, screenshots, reviews, and the list of permissions the app requires. This is a good time to confirm it's compatible with your current Shopify setup and that you're comfortable with what the app will access. If there are plan details, glance through them so you know whether there's a free tier or trial. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will prompt you to approve the permissions and confirm the store where you want the app installed. Approve the prompts and let the installation complete. This usually takes just a few moments. After installation, most GA4 apps guide you through a brief onboarding inside Shopify. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app to finish connecting your analytics. If the app asks for a measurement ID or similar, have it ready and double check that you're linking the correct property so data flows to the right place. That's it for adding the GA4 app to your Shopify store. You've taken the essential steps to start collecting meaningful analytics. Keep an eye on the app's setup checklist and any in-app tips, and you'll be ready to analyze traffic, refine your marketing, and improve your customer experience.